Hello 12th class students, welcome to our mathematics class. Students, in our previous video we have discussed how to check the continuity of a function at a point. Now we'll discuss how to check the differentiability of a function at a point. Students, what is the differentiability and when a function is said to be differentiable at a given point? Students, first of all, function must be a finite and single valued function at that point. आपका फंक्शन डिफाइंड होना चाहिए और एक सिंगल वैल्यूड एंड फाइनाइट फंक्शन होना चाहिए. देन ऑल्सो वन कंडीशन ऑल्सो मस्ट एग्जिस्ट देयर, दैट इज द लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू ए एफ एक्स माइनस एफ ऑफ ए अपॉन एक्स माइनस ए. दिस लिमिट मस्ट एग्जिस्ट finitely, and if this limit exists, then the value of this limit gives the derivative or differential coefficient of x of x at a. That means this limit gives the differential coefficient or derivative of the function at the given point a. Okay, and obviously if the derivative exists, then the function is said to be derivable, or we can say differentiable at the given point a. And we represent the derivative of the function or differential coefficient of the function by f dash a. Hence, in the symbolic way, we can write that f dash a, derivative of the function f of x at the point a, is equal to limits x approaches to a f of x minus f of a upon x minus a, but provided that x must be not equals to a. Now we can check the similar way, जैसे हमने continuity में check किया. If the left hand limit of the function at the point is equals to right hand limit, then the function is said to be continuous. Similarly, if the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative of the function are equal, then the function is said to be differentiable at the given point. Now what is the right hand derivative? If this limit is a right hand limit, okay, if we find limit x approaches to a plus f of x minus f of a upon x minus a, if this exists finally, then this is the right hand derivative, then the function is called right hand derivative of f of x at x equals to a, and this is denoted by r f dash a, that is right hand derivative, or f dash a plus 0. ठीक है. And similarly, left hand derivative can be found by limit x approaches to a minus f of x minus f of a upon x minus a. If this exists finally, then this is the left hand derivative of the function at x equals to a, and denoted by l f dash a or f dash a minus 0. And so students, the function, if these both derivative exist, these both limits, left hand limit and right hand limit of these functions exist, then the function f of x is said to be derivable at the point x equals to a. And also these two values, left hand derivative and right hand derivative, must be equals to at that point x equals to a. Now the function f of x is said to be differentiable in an interval, closed interval and open interval में आपका फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल कब होगा? इफ इट इज डिफरेंशिएबल एट एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ द क्लोज इंटरवल ए बी, and in the open interval a b it is differentiable if it is differential at every point of the closed open interval a b. Now what is the relation between derivability and continuity? Students, if the function is said to be derivable at a given point, then it will be definitely continuous at that point. But converse may be not true. If the function is continuous, then it is not necessary that it is derivable. But it is compulsory that if the function is given to be differentiable at a point, then it is definitely continuous at that point. Now we'll discuss our exercise question. The first question is show that the following functions are continuous but not derivable at x equals to 0. देखिए, this is our given function. कंटिन्यूअस प्रूव करना हम प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में सीख चुके हैं, तो वही आपको सेम प्रोसेस करना है। कंटिन्यूटी चेक करनी है एट एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0, तो उसके लिए हमें राइट हैंड लिमिट निकालनी है एंड लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट। उसके लिए फंक्शन आपका ये पुट होगा, इफ एक्स नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, ये आपको गिवन है। तो लिमिट चेक करने के लिए हम ये वाला फंक्शन अप्लाई करेंगे और फंक्शन की वैल्यू एट एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0 इज 0। We'll check if these right hand limit and left hand limit are equal or not. You can see here right hand limit is 0 and left hand limit is also 0, and also the value of the function at this point 0 is also given to be 0. Hence we can say that function is continuous at x equals to 0. Now we'll check the derivative of the function at x equals to 0. We'll find the right hand derivative. We have discussed that right hand derivative निकालने के लिए हम क्या निकालेंगे, लिमिट x अप्रोचेस टू, जिस भी पॉइंट पे हमें 0 पे निकालना है तो हम 0 प्लस निकालेंगे। एंड किसका देखते हैं, f ऑफ x माइनस f ऑफ a, यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या है 0, सो विल पुट हेयर 0। विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लिमिट f x अप्रोचेस टू 0 प्लस f ऑफ x माइनस f ऑफ 0 अपॉन x माइनस 0। सो फंक्शन की वैल्यू आपकी लिमिट x अप्रोचेस 0 प्लस या 0 माइनस दोनों ही क्या है, फंक्शन की वैल्यू x साइन 1 बाय x, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन एट 0 इज 0 अपॉन x माइनस 0। You can see that from the denominator and numerator x get cancelled. In this way we are having limit x approaches to 0 plus sine 1 upon x. Here you can see we get a sine 1 upon 0, that is sine infinity, which is not defined. That means ये आपकी finite value नहीं आएगी, this value is not defined. So hence we can this limit does not exist. If this does not exist, then the function is not variable differentiable at the given point x equals to 0. Now come to our fourth question. Here we are given this function, and we are given that this function is differentiable variable for every x. That means for all real values of x, this function is given to be variable. That means the right hand derivative and left hand derivative must be equal. We have to find the values of a and b. So we will put the condition of right hand derivative and left hand derivative to be equal. Okay, तो यहाँ से देखिए जब हम लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव के लिए हमें निकालना पड़ेगा लिमिट x अप्रोचेस टू 1 माइनस f ऑफ x माइनस f ऑफ 1, बिकॉज वी आर टू चेक द वैल्यू एट x इक्वल्स टू 1. सो वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 1, सो विल पुट हेयर 1, f ऑफ x माइनस f ऑफ 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1. सो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे आप फंक्शन देख सकते हैं एट x लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1 वी आर हैविंग द function x square plus 3x plus a. So we'll put f of x equals to x square plus 3x plus a. Okay, minus f of 1. F of 1 is, here we will put the value. We are having x less than equals to 1, both के लिए यही है function. यहाँ पे जब हम value 1 put करेंगे, we will have 1 plus 3 plus a, that is 4 plus a. Okay, we'll put the value of f of 1 here. Now we'll solve it. You can see that for a and minus a get cancelled. You will have x square plus 3x minus 4, which can be factorized as x plus 4 into x minus 1. Now x minus 1 get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. We will have limit x approaches to 1 minus x plus 4. We'll put the value x equals to 1 and have the left hand derivative to be equals to 5. Now we'll find the right hand derivative. For right hand derivative we will find the right hand limit of this function at x equals to 1. So यहाँ पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे function when the limit x approaches to 1 plus when x is greater than 1, you can see that the functions f of x equals to bx plus 2. So we will put here the function bx plus 2 and f of 1 is 4 plus a. So we'll put the value. Now you can check that we will have after the solving bx minus a minus 2 upon x minus 1. When we put the value of b here, from the equation 1 you are having the relation b equals to a plus 2. when we check the continuity, you find this relationship, students, because we are given the function is derivable, then obviously the function is continuous. By the theorem we have discussed that if the function is derivable at a point, then definitely it will be continuous. So आपको derivable given है तो continuous होगा. Continuity हमारी कब होती है? जब left hand limit equals to right hand limit. So we'll put this condition and also the value of the function at that point must be equal. We'll put this condition and have the relation b equals to a plus 2, and this relation will put here. Here we are having b. Now we can take common b, and x minus 1 get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. The right hand derivative is equals to b. Now the function is derivable, that means these two values, the left hand derivative, right hand derivative must be equal, that is b equals to 5. Value of b is 5. Now I will put the value of b here. We will get 5 equals to a plus 2, hence a equals to 3. So a equals to 3, b equals to 5. These are our required values. Now come to our 7th question. We are to show that f of x equals to mod x plus 2 is continuous at every x belongs to real numbers. We have discussed this types of sum in our previous exercise. You can easily represent it, but not differentiable. We have to check this function is not differentiable at x equals to minus 2. So students, modulus function को हम पहले तोड़ते हैं. F of x will be equals to minus x plus 2 when x is less than minus 2. देखिए यहाँ पे अंदर जब आपकी नेगेटिव वैल्यू है तो मॉडुलस फंक्शन क्या खुलेगा? माइनस ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. यू नो दैट एफ ऑफ, ये हम अब पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. एफ ऑफ, अगर हमारे पास फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू मोड एक्स एंड एट एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए पे हमें 0 पे चेक करेंगे ये, देन ये जो फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स है इट विल बी माइनस एक्स व्हेन एक्स इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड एक्स व्हेन एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. ये आपकी डेफिनेशन होती है मॉडुलस फंक्शंस की. तो ये हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे. वी विल हैव हियर minus x f of x equal to minus x plus 2 if x is less than minus 2 and x plus 2 if x is greater than equals to minus 2. So now we will find the left hand derivative and right hand derivative of the function. Here you can check right hand derivative, limit x approaches to minus 2 plus f of x minus f of minus 2 upon x minus minus 2. Will put the values of function. When the x is greater than equals to minus 2, you are having x equals to f of x equal to x plus 2. We'll put the value here and solve. You will find the right hand derivative to be equals to 1. Similarly, you will you can find the left hand derivative. Here you will put the left hand limit. Limit x approaches to minus 2 minus f of x minus f of minus 2 upon x minus minus 2. So when the function value of x is less than minus 2, you are having the function minus x plus 2. So we'll put the value here minus x plus 2. Now we'll solve and find that left hand derivative to be equals to minus 1. You can see that the right hand derivative is 1 and left hand derivative is minus 1. Both are not equals. The condition for differentiability is not satisfied. That means the given function f of x is not differentiable at x equals to minus 2. So I hope students you understood all the sum. So now your homework is to solve this exercise 6.3 complete in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.